You already know what the fuck going on. Hey, you talking about? It's your boy Illustrating. I'm back again with another video. I'm hanging out the window.
Hey, Trey.
Alright, we back at it. We back at it. Yeah, we back at it. Hold on. Let me lock the whip up. Big ape in the back. Y'all already know what's going on. I got that boy. Hey, who I got with me? Who I got that boy? Got that boy. J5 in the cut. You already know what the fuck going on. Who else I got with me?
Y'all already know what the fuck happening.
Yeah, that boy Lil Kim in the cut. Y'all already know what the fuck going on. You feel me? A whole lot of more power in the back. Y'all see what's going on back there. You feel me?
Why the hell we walking on this shit? Why this shit got a nigga?
Oh, what? I'm about to slip like a bitch. We sure did just walk down on her, huh?
I got gas.
Oh, yeah. What's up, Riri? Oh my God, now she trying to stunt for the camera, y'all. Motherfucking hard. I'm about to flip the camera. They done started the shenanigans. Stupid ass. What the fuck going on? Oh shit. Oh shit. Come on, bro. Come on.
You look like I'm good. Let's go. Look at all the traffic.
Damn, this shit just got some shit in my eye. Who?
He just stood on. He thought bad of here. He talking about.
Everybody trying to go home. Y'all niggas know y'all trying to spend that shit. Damn, somebody shit got smacked. Hold on, let me get that shit on video.
And I'm doing twice.
Damn, shorty. Ain't nothing but a boo-boo.
Hey, don't do it, gang.
Hey, bro, ain't nothing but a little boo-boo. It's alright, bro. Damn, bro. Smack that nigga bump out. I just caught that shit on camera. fucking breathe. That fucking fire extinguisher stink, bro. God damn. Woo, shit. I see that shit. Yeah, we back at it. You said what?
I got my tripod in the car.
Hit that light button, y'all want me to run in the middle. Hit that light button, y'all want me to run in the middle. Catch you. This is a big ass intersection, boy. Oh my God, this bitch big as fuck. Who the fuck car in the middle, bro? Oh, this nigga on the side. Oh, this is a fucking. That motherfucker quiet. Hell no.
Hey, best friend.
J5.
Hey, what the fuck J5 at?
J5.
J5 at your car, nigga.
J5, big ass.
That nigga said.
But them boys they got the bus like a motherfucker. That's what I top. Hold on. Give me. What's going on? Speak out.
Man, I'm here, man. We here, man. It's this nigga time, man. We here, man.
No.
Whoa. Yeah.
We outside with
Yeah.
We outside.
Fuck 12. Yeah. You already know what the fuck going on. Yeah, let's get the fuck out of here. The fuck, bro?
I fucked her car. Whoa. Fucking everybody's car. Fuck this shit. Fuck my car. I'm gonna hit the scat from the back.
Nah, not the scat from the back, bro.
Hit the scat from the back. Fuck the scat. Hey, hit the scat. Oh! I'm by the butt.
ain't catching on goddamn camera, boy. They removing it now. Buddy got the cat back there going crazy though. Look. That how you come? That how you come? Nah, you gotta do it.
It smells like beer.
Where that bitch went? Where he went? Oh, there you go. That how you come?
Hey,
That how y'all come? Woo, shit. He really just driving that bit though. Look at this shit. You said what, bro?
I record.
But I ain't even get that shit, bro. My bad.
Another
Bro.
camera?
My bad, twin.
Man, what I told you? You supposed to keep recording.
Thank you for the rude awakening.
But back to y'all niggas. I told y'all niggas about coming outside. I told you little niggas.
What ass back. He over here acting a damn fool. It sound like he done hit some shit. That don't sound regular. His ass geeked up though, like real.
Real.
Oh,
Bring that bitch this way.
You got it. You got it, bro. That nigga just showed it ass, boy. This shit,
He's better off having hella weight on the back, and he could just farm on.
Oh, that shit? He's not getting out.
Bro, more than half the car.
I know it, bro. Anybody got another jack? Right there. No. Hey, already recording. Just try to drive it back. Try to drive it out, bro. Yeah, just try to drive it out for right now. Your back is pressure on. Right, drive that bitch out. Yeah. Just drive it out. Hey, you can drive it. I'm gonna do that. Just let me. I'm gonna pull too. Let me do that. Let me do that.
Make sure you have one right over.
Damn, boy. Shit crazy. Yeah, we go goddamn. I'ma holler at y'all later, boy.
Spin it.
Damn, I caught the last nigga. Oh, she just flexed on y'all. Oh, she just flexed on y'all, boy. Ain't nobody did that one yet. No. She just snapped on y'all. She just snapped on y'all. I already know who this is.
Who my Takeover? You already know.
Yeah, I follow her on Instagram. Nah, we already follow each other.
Jason, say anything about the video. Fucking video. Nobody give me the motherfucking video.
Of the one you just did right now?
You better hit
The
me.
one last time I said
Oh, damn.
You better hit
Yeah,
me.
for real?
huh?
You better hit me.
Sound like you might have needed it.
Nah, you did just snap though. I ain't gonna lie. Ain't none of these niggas did that. You just took it around at the little what's the name? The island, bro. Like the hill. Yeah. Man, I ain't gonna lie. I hate to end the video so goddamn hectic. But that shit, that was just like crazy though.
What?
I wish I could have got the ending of that shit, bro.
Which one?
The last one, the very last one.
12 pull it up?
Yeah. I wish I could have got that junk on record, bro, cause like, what they drew down on Buddy, bro.
Oh. That's what they doing now. They gave it up and up.
But it's not a picture.
Video. Wicked DJ, man. Subscribe to the channel. They find you high fuck. Get it sent to Instagram. We blow up. We don't remember that. Good at that gas station.
Yeah, so look at these wheels. You got her dirty ass Mustang right here. And you got the scat.
That's you on the rail for shit when niggas turn the other way.
Oh God, like on some lame shit. And you got the scat, motherfucker.
That shit slow back there. You gotta take a picture of that motherfucker.
Yeah.
Them niggas sitting up right there. Got 3 of them.
That boy go crazy. With the subline green. And where they at?
Right there.
Oh, at the gas station. Down there. Why you getting on me, bro? What's up? What's up?
Jazz with the V6. This should be pushing.
She told pussy. Bro, leave me alone, bro. I'm finna get some time, bro. Bro, I'm finna get some time, bro. Bro, it ain't even that bald, bro.
Bro, this bitch Batista.
It ain't even, look, bro, I still got some grip down there, bro.
This bitch Patrick.
It ain't even that bald, bro. Chill, man. Bro, my shit ain't even that bald, bro.
Bro, it looks smooth as hell.
Wet that bitch, it's a mirror.
What you talking about, bro?
If you wet this tire, nigga, that's a mirror.
No, it's not, bro. Why he getting up? Can you tell him to stop?
I can't tell it.
Young nigga, hey, young nigga just fucked up, bro. That's just what it is. Yeah.
DJ, grab the impact.
What, nigga?
We finna strike these hoes.
Why you got like fucked up, bro? You a bad the hell, but hey.
Grab that program.
That shit be looking bright as hell when you drive.
I know he's looking flying a lot like that.
No cap.
Grab the program.
Y'all got it.
Strike that motherfucker.
You talking about that bitch?
Yeah, grab the program.
Man, I ain't gonna lie. I know a nigga that can just come grab that bitch right now. Oh yeah, hell yeah, did a crowd killer. Y'all see she got the blue lights in there. The custom bags, the custom. Y'all see the custom bottom in the back. Nitrous in that motherfucker.
I can't show y'all where it's at though.
Oh yeah, y'all see the little tree right there,
Why you
right?
stopping my shit?
This is a crowd killer.
Oh, park the trunk. Park the trunk.
They do so back the fuck up.
Park the trunk.
Hit that little bullshit one time.
Don't this bitch better not see no.
Shit. They be loud as fuck.
No turn, nigga, go ahead.
Why you doing me like that, bro? Brace. Right, he just woke your shit up. Nah, it popping too. You ain't hit.
He hit that big cut. Oh, he had to start that motherfucker.
She got the popping. Oh, hey, she's. I ain't gonna lie, she sick stunning on you, bro. That bit popping. That little regular shit. That little regular shit popping. Huh?
Check it out. See 4 right there?
Huh?
That bitch stands.
Oh, that's a bullshit. That's what it is.
That shit stands for found on road dead.
Damn. Found on.
Found on the road dead. Now the tires, I fuck with the wide body tires.
Hell yeah.
Then we got the dogs out. Oh, we got the dogs out. I ain't even pay attention to that.
Got them bitches on camera.
Damn. Oh, she said she got her dogs out too.
Oh, she got the dogs out too. Oh,
my God.
Come on.
She got the dogs.
Everybody gotta get her on camera.
And nobody feet safe around this bitch.
Oh,
See, I
okay.
got on socks, man.
Okay.
Socks. You know what I'm saying? Black socks, Puma socks at that.
And then bruh foot ash.
Damn.
I see it actually here.
Just try to come out the shit, man. Or fresh out the shower.
That boy said, I ain't even moisturized, boy.
Shit.
I ain't gonna lie, look. Yo, hold up. Yo, hey DJ. Look,
Fuck 12. You hear me? That's the one. Hold on. Fuck 12. Y'all got to run my first cup. How's you doing? I'm dangerous.
Man, I'm finna leave y'all, boy, man. I'm finna leave y'all, boy. Hey, fun fact, I got my car tinted right there. Yo. Huh? That's 5, that's 15. Huh?
They saying my shit see through too though. My shit 32. My shit legal.
Yo, your shit legal. My shit 15.
They told me my shit too dark. I'm like,
This 5 and this 15. But here, yeah, I'm finna leave y'all, boy. Take it on in. I got plenty of footage.
good footage.
You hear me?
I got good
Hey, put your Instagram in there, my boy.
MCXTREY.
Yeah. He got that motherfucker. Oh shit, my bad, bro. That motherfucker right there. What's your Instagram again?
_the real jazzy _
And this her beautiful car.
Y'all should listen.
You see the Brembo motherfucker?
The Brembo.
Brembos.
She got Brembos in that bitch.
Oh yeah, and she got the
Wide bodies.
Forges.
And
You feel me?
Why you talking shit?
J5, everybody know J5, bro.
Worldwide J5,
you
man.
feel
Y'all
me?
know we, man.
You hear me? But here, y'all, I'm gonna holler at y'all, boy. I'm out.
Whole lot to get money, Benny, you